We are out here on a hot one, and we're gonna finally get these rear shocks done on Tin Lizzie here. I already got it jacked up in the back, just so I can get under it easier. Highly suggest doing that. Obviously use a good jack, locking jack, not Harbor Freight jacks. And we'll walk you through what we got here. New shocks here, they come with hardware included. It's got the washers and the nut for the top. You do need to reuse your bottom nut. And then reach up and over there, and I'll just put the camera up there so you can see it. And there should be a stud there. And you gotta get that nut off. There is a nut on the top of the shock here to make it easier to grab and get off. I'm unsuccessful at getting it with a wrench, so I just have a pipe wrench on the upper part that spins, and just kind of hold that in place while we loosen out the top. Since the top's the hardest part, it should be not too bad to get this lower out as well. We just need to grab one side and rip the other side with a impact. On the bottom here, we've just got two 18 mils. Use one side to hold it, use a gun to blast it, and try to get off there. And hold on to those because we have to reuse them. Alright, so just like on the front when we set these guys up, we want to have the metal cup underneath, the guided part that goes in the hole that's stamped in the metal, and then the cone part down, and then the opposite on top with the lock nut going on last. So that's the order we'll go in. Going back in. there you have it. That wasn't too bad. We've got our new shocks in. Lower bolt really easy to get to. Upper stud not so much. I'll try to take you up there again. You got a little bit of space, not enough for an impact up here. I'm going to tighten that guy down, and that will be it, and we'll have our brand new shocks in the back, which should help a lot with our ride.